So now we are going to deal with memory cache mapping techniques. Yes, but first you have to know what a memory cache is or cache memory is. Yes, so a cache memory acts as a buffer between the CPU and main memory, reducing access time by storing data, frequently used data. So the cache memory actually stores frequently used data so that for the CPU to be able to access it for a faster processing. Yes. So the technique here aims to minimize access time by storing frequently used data closer to the CPU. So the efficiency of a cache system depends on how data is mapped from main memory to the cache. So how efficient it will be depends on the method or the technique in which the data is being used to being used for the technique being used for the mapping of the data to the memory. Yes. So here we have the memory cache mapping techniques. We have direct mapping, associative mapping, and set associative mapping. So now with the direct mapping, this is where each block of main memory has a unique fixed location in the cache. So then blocks are like segment or type parts in the memory. Yes, so with this one it has a unique office location, and the memory locates data using memory addresses. So it assigns like a specific address to a specific block for, for the frequently used file which is being stored in the cache. Yes. So it is simple to implement but can lead to conflict if multiple blocks maps to the same cache line. Yes. Address is divided into tag, index, and offset field. Index is like just the numbering or arrangement. Each after starts from zero. So the next one is associative mapping. So with the associative mapping, a block from the main memory can be placed in any available cache line. This requires searching all cache lines to find a match. So for you to find the data that match the address or the data in the memory, the frequently used data in the cache for the memory to use. No, you have to check all the cache lines. Oh yes, you have to check all the cache lines to find the data that matches it. So this technique offers more flexibility but is complex and slower than direct mapping. Yes. So the last one, which is the set associative mapping, we have this one. It combines features of direct and associative mapping. The cache is divided into sets, and each block can be placed in any line within its assigned set. This offers a good balance between flexibility and complexity. Yes. So with the set associative mapping, it has features of the direct mapping and then the associative mapping. Okay. So it's like a hybrid of the two of them. Okay. So this brings us to the end of my presentation.